Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. Pios Hulk is an advanced solution in the field of sewer cleaning and flushing, mounted on a reliable MAN TGM 15.254 by 2 Euro 6 jersey. This equipment stands out from the rest due to its unique design and application of the latest technological developments, which allow cleaning sewage channels efficiently and safely, working even in the most difficult conditions. Pure Torque proves that no task is impossible. It's the ideal choice for urban utilities looking to increase efficiency and minimize environmental impact. The use of aesthetically pleasing and convenient tableware is an integral part of our everyday life, but rarely do we stop to reflect on the marvel of technology and creativity behind its production. Have you ever dreamed of a machine that combines the ease of trailer transportation with the power of an elevator equipter, has heard you and created their cool 7000 model? So what you have here isn't just any piece of equipment, it's your best friend on the job site. In fact, it's capable of towing itself to the job site in minutes and lifting heavy loads up to 25 feet in 5 inches, or moving loads to a lower height of 23 feet and 5 inches. With its unique forks, with convenient remote control and steering adjustments to suit your every need. The Equipter 7000 ensures that you can place it exactly where you need it without any extra effort. Prepare to be amazed. Here is a machine with a unique tillage unit that can turn an ordinary field into a work of art. Its movements on the ground are like the brush strokes of an artist creating a masterpiece. Decor construction and mining projects to the next level with a DB45 from Sleipner. This compact, low-bed trailer is designed for those who do not recognize boundaries in obstacles, designed to efficiently transport heavy equipment up to 45 tons over rough terrain. The DB45 guarantees mobility without limits. Its robustness and reliability will not let it down in extreme temperatures, which is why it has already been successfully used in the snowy forests of northern Finland. Pay attention to how the automated onion harvesting technique works quickly and efficiently. It lifts the product from the ground and sends it on the conveyor belt for further manual packing into special containers. The John Deere 6210R tractor, in tandem with the AVR GeForce cultivator and the Maydema structural 4000 potato planter, becomes an indispensable assistant on the farm. This powerful combination ensures high efficiency, saving farmers considerable time, effort and technical costs. The AVR GeForce cultivator prepares the soil perfectly, while the Maydema structural 4000 potato planter ensures precise and fast planting, guaranteeing ideal conditions for crop growth. How can you experience full control over the transportation of long timber? Dole offers the answer: self-driving trailers that turn transportation into an art form. Whether you choose the 2 or 3 axle version, your load up to 72 feet will be safe and under control, with a state-of-the-art canvas system and adaptability to any chassis. These trailers play by your rules and the crane. It's not just here for loading. With the multi-telescopic aptors, it opens up new horizons of use. So friends, are you ready to become a master of wood logistics, where every trip becomes a masterpiece of convenience and versatility? Do you think it's easy to hold a giant piece of concrete or a huge tree trunk? Hold Trough Excavating of Sheldon puts that to the test with the Smith, Colorado trailers. The video begins with a demonstration of how the trailers handle concrete blocks with confidence. The footage then seamlessly transitions to transporting massive trees, emphasizing the versatility and durability of these trailers. Smith, Colorado guarantees that their products can stand up to any challenge, as repeatedly proven by old drop excavations with their Smith, Colorado site dumpers. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.